Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Hello there! Do you know the difference between affect and effect? Let's explore that today. Let's go! First, let's look at affect with an A. It's a verb, and it means to produce change or move the feelings of. Example, the sad movie deeply affected me. I cried so much. So it has produced this change in me, okay? That's the meaning of affect. It's interesting to note that affect can also be a noun. It's a feeling or emotion. For example, the fire accident was so bad that her affect was utter shock. Okay? Now let's look at effect. It's a noun. It means a result or an accomplishment. For example, the doctor examined the effect of the new drug in the patient's body. So it's the result of the new drug. Okay? In addition, there's also in effect. It means in operation or in force. For example, the pandemic lockdown is now in effect in many cities. That means it's going on already. Okay? Surprisingly, effect can also be a verb. It means to cause or bring about or to achieve. Let's look at the example. To effect change in our environment, we need to recycle. See? You can also use it as a verb. What about effects with an S? It's a noun. It means things you carry around or things that belong to you. For example, my lost baggage has all my jewelry and other personal effects. Okay? Now you know! To practice, use one or all the words in your own sentences. Type your sentences in the comment section. I will check and give you feedback. This is an excellent way to practice what we have learned today. I look forward to your comments. I'm here to help you. Thanks, guys. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.